is up, guys? This is your future Isaac here. So I am so sorry about this because the other day I forget to take my intro to do an unboxing video about this baby right here, my boy. Okay, so what is up, guys? What is up with you guys? So I know I've been gone. I've been gone for many years, for a year and a half, I think. A years or 2 years, I forgot. So what is up, guys? I hope you guys doing well on this MCO thing. So yeah, I am gonna unbox my beast right here, my new rig. So yeah, that's it. Go back to the past, Isaac. Go ahead, boy. All right. So right now, as I'm saying just now, we are going to unbox this with my cousin. So before that, I'm gonna describe my spec first. So this build here, I am using i5 core 6 threads and 12 core. So I'm using a i5 9400F. And now for the mount of the CPU, so I am using the mobile of a TUF Gaming motherboard from Asus. It also has Aura Sync, so I can download from the software at Google. And for the beast right here, I am using AMD Radeon 5600 XT. And right here, to power up this bad boy over here, we have Steampunk Gold. It is 650 watt and it looks cool, man, and powerful. Yeah, and this one is my power bank, my backup battery, just like we put in a handphone, because at my hometown here it is always kind of electric shortage like that. So let's go to the unboxing, shall we? So this is the beast inside here, and yo, my assistant, come here.
So,
introduce yourself, please.
as you know, from the previous video, I'm Alex TV. I'm here to have my cousin unboxing this beast right here. Man, I can't wait to make content together. So let's unboxing this beast, babe.
Okay, if you want to drop by to his channel, link down below in the description. So okay, let's start.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
So this is my bad boy. This is my build. And
And look at this, you got tempered glass here, and if you look closer, you can look at the sweet graphic card right there. There's a fan, there's a 2 RGB right there, and I can't wait to see let you guys see it. It glows when you turn it on. So let's peel it.
let's build it for satisfaction, shall we? Oh
Yeah, boy.
can you feel the satisfaction? Oh my
So
god.
come here again. Maybe you can see it more clearly without the covering. See, that's the Phantom Gaming RX 5600, and you can clearly see the copper pipe right there. And here, Steampunk is, if you guys remember, this is the power box, 750 watts. Have to power up the beast.
Oh, and yeah, come on in front. So we have 3 more fans here at ARGB, and at the back there we have an original ARGB, but we don't have the ARGB. So this is my beast. Yeah,
And
man.
look here. You got the what's this button?
ARGB.
RGB. Oh,
This one is for ARGB.
oh, you can turn it off manually.
No, it's not. It is for the option. You can. It has how many modes? It has I think 24 modes. I think, if I'm not correct. Yeah. Oh no. It has 27 modes in here. So
and it got two USB 3.0 port and a power button right there. And what is this?
this is the reset button.
And this one?
That one is for how do you?
I guess we find out if we put more together.
Yeah.
So next we this is just a box, but it's already built in. We just, like I said, we don't assemble it. We just putting up together. So
Yeah.
next, what else can we do?
I forgot my monitor. So wait here. I'm gonna take my monitor. So okay. So this is the monitor that I forgot. So I am using ViewSonic VA2719 SH. It is a full HD LED black lit display. It is 60 or 75.
It's 75 hertz.
No, I think it's 60, man.
60 hertz.
Mm.
Oh, I didn't know. There's no indicator here, right?
Later we'll see in the video.
Okay, later we'll see. So unboxing.
It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the.
Okay, so now let's pull this shit first.
One final piece before the big moment. You feel that, you console peasant?
Feel it. Okay.
Oh, no, not true.
On three, man. 3, 2,
2,
1.
Look at the keyboard. Look at the startup screen. And look at the graphic card and RAM right there. It's glowing nicely. Yeah. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, man. Alright, come here. Let's look at the CPU for a bit. I know. Like I said, like we said, it's paired with i5, 6 core, is it?
Yeah, 6 core of threads.
Now let's look at the graphic card. Oh yeah, the graphic is RX 5600 XT. It means that we did this properly, so the game is ready to game on.
And come here. Look at this. So this is the RGB, and look at this. Just look at this. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. All right. So, would you mind closing up the lights? is it for the unboxing of my beast over here. And check the description down below to see my assistant Alex Mercer channel. You can subscribe to him too. And if you like my video, you can thumbs up and subscribe to my video. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.